Hey everyone, this is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet in Tinley Park, Illinois. Today I'm standing in front of a brand new 2019 Chevy Silverado All-Star Edition LT. For the month of August, Apple Chevrolet is offering all of its customers over $10,900 in savings. This four-wheel drive double cab standard box comes with a 5.3 liter V8 engine, your Z71 off-road package, your back tinted windows, and 17 by 8 inch aluminum wheels. Now when we get inside this vehicle, you can see that we do have our gray leather seats throughout the entire vehicle. We do have a center console that flips into a third seat. We have our brand new Chevy MyLink radio, our heated seating, our push to talk button, heated steering wheel, and even our standard cruise control. This is Johnny over at Apple Chevrolet. Thanks for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you guys have a great day.